is what I absolutely love. Every time I come out riding, I just try to find a nice, smooth, flat dirt road. I just don't care if it goes on forever and ever. There's not a hill or a mud puddle or giant football-sized rocks. I'm looking for a nice, long, flat dirt road. You know of a good one in Arizona? Comment below. There's an RV in the road. Good luck, buddy. What have you guys done a YouTube deep dive on? Like, just you went totally down the rabbit hole of one type of video and that's all you watched for like a week. Right now I'm in a rabbit hole of like truck campers and tiny houses and van living, and I think it's interesting. I think it's cool. A lot of these people, you know, they abandoned the normal, went off, did their own thing. A lot of them travel. A lot of, you know, obviously the truck camper people. Tiny house people kind of stay put. But I think that's really cool. I'm a minimalist type of person anyway. You know, just the amount of silverware, plates, forks, cups. I don't like to have a whole bunch of junk. So I like that kind of stuff. Comment below what kind of YouTube rabbit holes have you been down? Man, some of those sections back there, can you believe that guy took that RV through there? And this is the most popular road. I don't think he would have taken a different route. Some of those sections back there were up and down. RVs have a big overhang on the back, occasionally on the front too, the front spoiler and bumper. So, the guy was brave. Let's say that. Say something nice and say brave. A bus. See? This might be my kind of alley. Might be watching that guy on YouTube. Looks like he lives out of that thing. outlaw throttle and I'm spinning the tire. I think I'm always one of those cool dirt bike guys I've seen pictures of like 6-foot dirt roost behind him. That's how I picture myself. But in all reality, it's probably only like a little 6-inch roost that I'm spinning. Look at the size of that one. Now don't be intimidated, guys. Those bus and that camper RV made it through here. You can make it through here too, you know? I have to look down and get water all over my boot. Deep one, football sized rock in it. Oh, look at that! Sticks in the middle of the road. battery's still alive. This looks like a good place to change it. But anyway, stopped to change the battery, and it said 58% left. So I'm pretty sure we could ride all the way to the restaurant where I want to eat lunch. Alright, we're almost to our lunch destination. This is Highway 77 if I'm right. If not, future Scott in the editing will correct me. There you go, you do all that dirt riding, come out here on Highway 77, stop over here for some lunch, and then we may or may not resume this ride to Ork. Lunch spot is real nice, super quick, stop right here. Alright, I know you've been waiting patiently. The lunch spot is called the River Bottom Bar and Grill here in Florence, Arizona. Sometimes they have live music. I hope they're open today. And that's it. I'm gonna go in here and get some lubrication, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know, right?